Welcome to class, and let us look at this interesting exponential logarithmic expression. Can you solve this? And if you can, just pause the video and try. Okay, so and the question read 4 to log of the cube root of 16 to a base of 8. Alright, so all we just need to do here is to first of all simplify the argument and the base of this log. Alright, so let's just get started. First, I'll want to evaluate this exponent here. Okay, so let's deal with that first. So here we have log of the cube root of 16 to a base of the root of 8. Now let us recall that we can change this to an exponent, okay, which we can rewrite as log 16 raised to 1 over 3, and we can also apply the same to the base, which becomes 8 raised to 1 over 2. Alright, the next thing we need to do here is I want to change 8 to a base of 2 and 16 to a base of 2, and that gives us that log 16 actually is 2 raised to 4. Okay, take note to the all to 1 over 3, and 8 will be 2 raised to 3 all raised to 1 over 2. Okay, and according to the law of indices, we can multiply this because they are what? Commutative. So we then have it as log 2 raised to 4 over 3, and 2 here raised to 3 over 2. Okay, so now that we've simplified this whole process, now the next thing we need to do is to recall this law of log that says that when you have log a to n, now this gives us n log a. Okay, and when we also have log, let's say a then b raised to m, now this gives us 1 all over m log a base m. Alright, we'll be making use of these two laws here. Okay, so where this represent our n here, and 3 all over 2 represent our m here. Okay, so now this becomes, first of all, I want to make this 4 over 3 the multiplier first. Okay, so that we'll know exactly what we're doing. So we have here 4 over 3, then log 2, then base 2 raised to 3 over 2. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is to apply this rule, okay, to 3 over 2. So take note, it will also still be a multiplier, since in this case it's a multiplier to the log. So since it will be a multiplier, we then have 1 over 3 all over 2, take note, times then 4 over 3 then log 2 base 2. Okay, and we know that when we have a log of a number to the base, okay, with the same both the argument and the base are the same, this becomes what? 1. So to that end, so log 2 base 2 will become 1. So let me just clean this up and write times what? 1. Let's take note also that this here, you must be very careful here. This here simply implies 1, okay, divided by 3 over 2, which is same as saying 1 times 2 over 3, which will give us 2 over 3, which means that the whole of this, okay, becomes 2 over 3. So we then have here 2 over 3, okay, times 4 over 3 times 1, then which gives us 8 over 9. So it implies that the whole of this exponent, which represents the log, okay, is 8 over 9. So here we then have the 4 raised to 8 over 9. Okay, so to this end, you can now say it's either you can leave it like this, which also we can rewrite as 2 raised to 2 or raised to 8 over 9, which is take note that this 2 multiplies this fraction, and that gives us 2 raised to 16 all over 9. Okay, that is if you have that a multiplies b over c, this gives us ab over c. So this is the final answer. And if you love what I've just done, please don't fail to like and share with others. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.